PPI's Building and Construction Division, or BCD, promotes the use of high-reliability plastic pressure pipe and tubing systems for building and construction applications by providing research, education, and codes and standards development. With the goal to ensure that plastic piping materials are safe, sustainable, and reliable, BCD's Research Committee helps companies evaluate and test new products and works with other industry associations to establish product standards. To support code changes and approvals, BCD works at all jurisdictional levels to establish and maintain code approvals associated with plumbing, building, mechanical, and fire protection applications, and to monitor and address health, safety, and environmental issues. BCD promotes high-performance plastic pipes as the materials of choice for plumbing and hot water heating applications, while also providing educational tools and resources for the design and installation of systems for those applications. BCD also provides technical reports to address important issues related to safety, longevity, and installation. For more information, please visit our website.